Welcome to episode 2 here in our bathroom remodel series. I'm Andrew and we're continuing to redo all the water lines here in our primary bathroom. Today's episode is going to cover installation of our tub filler valves. Now these valves are unique because they sit along a deck behind our bathtub, and this deck extends into the shower and acts as a shower ledge. We're going to start this project from the beginning where we install some drywall to encase an access point behind the bathtub. Let me show you. So this came out super clean. The next step is going to be taking measurements to cut holes in our deck. But when looking at our setup here, we need to take this drywall down first. That absolutely was not according to plan, but that drywall was super wonky. I needed to get out of the way first to take those accurate measurements. Luckily I have Michelle's help that made demo a lot quicker. Let's cut those holes now, take some measurements first. I'm using a hole saw to cut the holes in our deck. This cuts pretty good through wood, however you have to hold it steady because it likes to kick back. So our Brizo fixtures can be mounted anywhere between 5 and 8 inches away from the center of the tub filler. We decided to go with 5 inches to make it nice and tight and clean. This is a critical part. We need to get accurate holes so everything lines up nicely. I think I have my measurements right, but it doesn't hurt to double check. It doesn't hurt to triple check because we only have one shot to do this. It also doesn't hurt to have your quality control double check. Mine's Michelle. Okay, we have all of our holes cut in this deck now. Up next, install the valves, connect the water lines. The reason I had to modify that is because we're using a thicker deck, this 2x4, which is part of the wall behind our bathtub that the fixture is going to be mounted to. It fits now. Let's connect the rest of the water lines. Okay, tub filler valve wrapped up. That wasn't too bad at all. We're getting there with this plumbing. I got one valve left, the shower valve.